Hey guys, Miss Smith here, and today I'm going to be going over how to do the dragon poster based off of the Dragon Genetics simulation. So once you've clicked onto the Dragon explanation poster instructions, this is what's going to show up. So the point of the poster is very plain and simple. You're going to create a poster for 4 different traits showing the variation in dragon phenotypes for each trait. And so basically what needs to be on there is the illustration with the traits and of course the list of genotypes with the traits and the list of the phenotypes of the traits. Okay? So you can draw it if you want to. I would again suggest either if you're going to draw it by hand, draw it and then upload the picture. But if not, if you can find a better picture on the internet, I get it. I get it, guys. We want to make this as less painful as possible, so I totally get it, okay? So what should your dragon poster should look like? So if you don't want to draw everything out on a piece of paper, here is an option for you. And if you do want to still draw out the paper, I fully support that. You know, I love wonderful drawings, especially my students who are artists. So if you want to draw a dragon for me or whoever your teacher is, I am all for it. Okay, just whatever is easiest for you, whatever you're comfortable with. Overall, though, what should you have on the poster? So let's look at an example. Okay, so here's an example poster. Notice I have my dragon's phenotype, right? I've listed it in complete sentences, right? My dragon has 2 horns, small wings, purple scales, and 1 head. And remember, phenotype means physical traits that are expressed, okay? I also have my dragon's genotype, okay? The possible genotypes that it has, right? So these are my possible genotypes. Remember, the genotype is the code for your phenotype. So capital H, right? They're both capital, meaning they're both dominant, right? Capital H is going to stand for 2 horns. Capital P, that is heterozygous. We have a dominant and we have a recessive, and that's going to stand for purple scale, and so on and so forth, okay? So I've only done parts 2 and 3. I draw the illustration, but I also need to show the traits, and so this right here, right, these are the possible traits for my dragon. Remember, you are doing this based off of the Dragon Genetics assignment. So did it talk about 2 horns, the types of scales? No, it didn't. What were those alleles? What were those traits that they were talked about? If you scroll down to slide 4, remember these were the 4 alleles. These were the 4 traits, okay? So I'm not going to tell you what to do with this information. Hey guys, Miss Smith popping in to the middle of the video. I just want to explain something as far as the poster. Now, your poster, your dragon, whatever you draw or pick a picture of, whatever you find, right? That is entirely up to you what you want those traits to be. Okay, so if you want wings on your dragon, right? What are the correct genotype and phenotype for wings? Or if you don't want any wings, so no wings is also an option, what are the correct genotype and phenotypes for your poster? Same thing with metallic. Do you want your dragon to have metallic skin or no metallic skin? Do you want your dragon to have hind legs or no hind legs? Same thing with the forelimbs. Do you want your dragon to have forelimbs or no forelimbs? Remember, hind limbs, those are just the back legs. Forelimbs are just the front legs. Okay? So you are not just you are not just set for just they have to have wings, metallic, hind legs, and forelimbs. No. Again, you are making up whatever dragon it is you want to make up, okay? So please keep that in mind. Okay, I will let the video continue. Sorry. If you are doing this via drawing it out on a piece of paper, I am for it. If you ain't about that, that's fair too. So this is for you. If you scroll down to the bottom, here is a blank template for you. And as always, in order for you to get this, you need to go to File, make your copy, and you can decide to either make a copy of the entire slide, but what I would prefer that you do is just make a copy of the selected slide. And so if I click that, right, oh, I'm gonna cancel, sorry. Let me show you via my student. So it's the same, okay? So if I go, I need to be on that slide, okay? I need to be on the slide. Oops, I need to change this. See, even I make mistakes all the time. And as I say, making mistakes, guys, please don't stress yourself out if you make a mistake. It is okay. We are in this together. Okay, so this is my student version, right? Notice how I can only view it. Okay, so I need to be on the slide. So this is the slide I want to make a copy of. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Make a Copy, and I'm going to go to Selected Slides. And of course, I'm going to save that. If I've made my Google folders, I'm going to go ahead and save that in my distance learning folder and save that into my biology folder because this is for biology. If, again, you're using this video for a different class, please keep in mind that you put your files in the correct folders. So I'm going to go ahead and move that. And now I can finally edit my document. I can write on it and so on and so forth. Okay? Again, you could do this assignment on paper if you are great at drawing. Please send me those drawings, or whoever your teacher, I'm sure they would appreciate it. I know I appreciate wonderful student art. I am for it. I am all about it. If you ain't about that life, then I would suggest using this template right here. And again, find a really good dragon picture or something particularly close. Again, understandable. We all understand, okay? You ain't got time to do drawings? That's okay, all right? The point of the assignment is that you understand really what's important, the alleles. What are the differences? What is phenotype? What is genotype? And all that stuff, okay? I hope this has been a helpful video to you. If you are doing this, turning this in digitally, remember you're just going to take your link and turn it into Jupyter, all right? Same thing with the picture. You're just uploading your poster to Jupyter for this assignment. All right, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Later.